Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to, this has to be day number, what day is this? Day number 2, yes, day number 2, week 14, spring 2025 of our journey together, day number 2, week 14, spring 2024 of our, spring 2025 of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. Let me add up. Today is what, Tuesday the 8th of April 2025. Subject is, of course, mathematics. And we're just going to be doing some more past paper questions. I don't see Seth. Kaden, you need to turn your camera. And Maya, turn your camera as well. You know, I don't see. I don't think he's coming this week. I don't see Wyatt. That's why I don't see. I think Seth is coming today, but I don't see Wyatt.
Kerrigan?
Kerrigan should be here. Kerrigan, are you here? Where's Kerrigan?
No.
Good. All right. Okay. All right, so let's begin. Maya, you're a part of the brownies.
Yes, sir.
That means you should be nice.
Something like that.
And not and let the boys win all the time.
Excuse me, 90% of the school is in brownies.
Oh, okay.
Like from K4, grade 1 to grade 6, like everybody.
A lot of them in brownies.
On Fridays, all I to see is just people in brownie uniform. It's hurt my eyes.
Wow.
Like we going blind, seeing the same color over and over. And especially the yellow suit.
Oh, okay. So a lot of the girls are in brownies. Nothing wrong with brownies, but she should be kind and let the boys
I'm
win.
going to be kind and make the girls win points over and over again.
Okay. All right, so let's begin.
Mr. Petit, you know what I just realized?
What?
Someone is not sharing. Gianna is eating.
Ah, Gigi. Wow.
And Joel.
Wow. All right, so let's begin. Okay, so thanks for pointing that out. Where are they? Wow, that's so
You
mean.
mentioned on trips, I think.
That is so mean. That is so mean. All right, question number 1. I want us to do
Mr. Petit, if we can answer it before the jar comes, at least the boys I think are gonna win.
I mean, you have an opportunity now. We have 80 divided by 3 and 1 over 5. So 80 divided by 3 and 1 over 5. I want us to do that. 80 divided by 3 and 1 over 5. Legacy, you have any idea how to do that? Or anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how
yes, sir. We put the 80 over 1.
Say it again?
We put the 80 over 1.
Very good.
We put the 80 over 1. And then we say 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So that'd be 16 over 5. And then we say, what can we change the... Wait, no, we keep switch flip, right?
Yeah.
And so we keep the 80 over 1, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and switch 16 over 5 to 5 over 16.
Very good. Very good explanation. So basically, the first thing that she said, and that's exactly what we should do, we're going to take 3, we'll basically change the mixed number into a proper fraction. So 3 times 5 plus 1, that's what we're gonna do. So it's gonna be equal to 80 over 1. So 80 over 1.
Can we simplify it if we can?
Yeah, you can. Keep the division sign, right? And we have 3 times 5.
We don't...
3 times 5 equals 15.
Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Can I please still get a sharpener?
Yes, you can. So we have 3 times 5. What is 3 times 5? That's going to be what?
15 plus 1 is 16.
Plus 1 is 16. Very good. So it's going to be 16 over. Now, bear in mind that 5 is it's going to be the numerator. All right. So 5 is going to be, no, so it's going to be 5, yeah. I mean the denominator. So it's 3 times 5 is just 15 plus 1 is 16. Then we keep switch flip. So we keep the 80 over 1. We switch the division sign and the multiplication sign, and we flip the fraction. So that means that 5 is going to go on top, okay? 16 is going to go to the bottom. So we have 80, okay, 80 over 1 multiplied by 5 over 16. So it's going to be 5 over 16. All right. All right, what are we going to do next?
Multiply?
Say it again.
Multiply.
Multiply. Very good. So what are we going to multiply?
80 times 5, 1 times 16.
Say it again.
80 times 5 and 1 times 16.
Very good. We're going to multiply 80 times 5. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. 80 times 5, and then 1 times what? 1 times
16.
16. Very good. So
400.
So 80 times 5, so 80
Shooting around.
multiplied by
I know what it is.
someone mic is on open. Jaden, figured. 80 multiplied by 5.
400.
That's 400. 5
sir.
times 0 is 0.
Yes, sir.
And then 5 times 8 is what?
All you gotta put is 8 times 5, which is 40, then just add the 0.
That's good. That's a smart way to think of it. So it's going to be 400, right? Divided by 1 times 16 is
16.
16. Very good. All right. So 400 divided by 16. Okay. And so that's what we want to do. So the next thing is, can y'all let me know? The next thing we have to divide. Can y'all let me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next thing is that we want to take 16 and divide it by, take 400 divided by 16, so it's going to be 16. Lincoln, where's the presidential chair, man? Where's the presidential chair?
I
He gave it to Najara.
Oh, he gave it to Najara. Now Najara.
Yeah, Najara is setting it up right now. So
Okay.
she's
Okay.
coming over.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
we
sure.
don't think about
Whatever.
Najara. She's not here, so we can't talk about her.
Lincoln, I need the chairman.
Tomorrow, please. You need to have a
Maybe.
president.
If I be in class.
Okay. Maybe. Okay, that's no problem. No pressure. But we need to see you in your presidential chair. All right. All right. So, all right. So what we gonna do from here? We're gonna divide, right? So we say what? 16 into
16 divided by 400.
16 into 400. Okay, so 16 into
That's
16 into 400. How many times does 16 go into 40? That's gonna be what?
2 times.
Twice?
yes.
16 times 2 is what?
40.
16 times 2 is 32. We subtract. This becomes what? 3. This becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is what? 8.
8.
Right now on the what?
It's 0.
Right now on the 0. Good. How many times does 16 go into 80?
5 times.
5 times. Very good. 16 times 5 is what? 80. 80, very good. We have 80 minus 80. It's gonna be 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. All right, and so
Remain the 0.
So that means that the answer is just what? 25, right?
The girls won. Well, technically.
It's 25. Did y'all get 25? When y'all did
I
it?
did.
You did? Legacy, 25.
I did.
Kaden, 25. Very good. It is 25. Good.
Are we doing the girls and boys? Or no?
No, not
I'll
yet.
take the
Not yet. No. Legacy.
Yes to the legacy.
Legacy, I
Today.
tired. Legacy, say I tired. All right. That's because Najari ain't here.
I just not feeling it.
The
The girls will
Okay.
still win because I am here.
Okay.
I don't think the Jack will know 5.
You can do that. Not me.
Okay. Number 2. Wait, by the way, I need someone to explain this. Madeline, explain how we got 25, please. Go ahead, Madeline.
So we got 25 with 3 and 1/5. We times 3 with the denominator and 3 and the numerator plus the whole number.
Mm-hmm.
So then
do you know what to do?
we put the 80 next. We put the 80 over 1, and then with the 3 plus the 1 and times the 5, we get 16 over 5. And then we keep the 80 over 1, switch the dividing, and flip the 16 over 15, which gave us 80 over 1 times 5 over 16. Then we times them. Then we times 80 and 5 together, which gave us 400. And then we got 400 over 16.
How did we get this? How did we get the 16?
By timing 1 and by doing 1 times 16.
Very good.
Then we got 400 over 16. And then we divided 400. We did 400 divided by 16, which gave us 25.
Very good. Very good. Let's do another example.
Math is my.
Can we do a top 3?
Top 3? Okay.
For this one only.
Yeah, let's do top 3.
For everyone.
Yeah, top 3. So we say
everyone for themselves.
Yeah, every man for themselves. That's a good one.
That's the way I like it.
So
Najari.
this is going to be, let's say we have
Mr. Petit, I don't think I could be here tomorrow.
Oh, okay. That's fine.
First Najara, now Maya. We definitely winner.
I have no problem with that. 90 divided by
trying to get step it up if they want to win.
1/5. 90 divided by 1/5. Trinity, turn your camera, please. Why you turn your camera? I want you all to do this just like how I did this one. Okay. Wyatt, where's Wyatt?
Sir.
Are you practicing the in my class? You didn't come to class yesterday.
I was in Nassau.
Oh, you was in Nassau. You did say you was coming to Nassau. You was in Nassau and you didn't come to see me in my classes? What? What?
Mr. Pate, can you please explain those
how to do it? How to do it? You want?
Yeah, because
Okay.
I'm kind of getting confused.
No problem. So the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put 90 over 1, divide. Well, the first thing you have to do is you have to change this into improper fraction. So it's like how we did it there, 3 times 5 plus 1, okay? Which gives us 16 over 5. So you'll have 90 over 1 divided by 16 over 5, right? Then, 1 second, then you switch the 16 and the 5, then you do 90 times 5, and you do 1 times 16, and then you divide them. So that's how you do it.
Thank you, Mr. Pate. I completely understand.
Okay, good.
Can we simplify?
Yeah, simplify if it needs to. Someone have a question?
I had a question.
Go ahead.
How do you do this?
Trinity, you don't remember how to do this? We did this question like a gazillion times.
No, sir.
Do you see the first example?
Yes, sir.
You see this one, right? You see it?
Yes, sir.
I need you to do it just like how I did the first example. But instead of using 80, put 90.
Mr. Pate, I'm supposed to switch something around?
Yes. All right, that's class. What y'all got for this? So I can explain it to Trinity and Skylar. What y'all got for this one? Class, what y'all got for this? Let me know. Maya, Lincoln, y'all finish? Genesis?
I'm checking over my answer real quick.
Like, okay.
Yes, so I'm finished, but I just have to simplify it.
So to simplify it, okay.
I think.
Okay.
You're so smart. My answer is 28 and 1 over 8, by the way.
What you got?
28 and 1 over 8.
28 and 1 over 8?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
I
anyone
don't
else?
like the way how you said that.
No, I wasn't making any comment. Anyone else?
I got the same thing.
What it is?
28 and 1 over 8.
28 and 1 over 8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Girl, it's always me.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do it. So the first thing I'm gonna do.
I'm in the top 3.
Yeah, we only doing top 3 today. So first of all, let me see top 3. Who was it? It's gonna be Maya, Lincoln, and Legacy. Very good. Excellent. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put 90. That's gonna be equal to 90
over 1.
90
over 1.
over 1.
And then
divided by.
Yeah.
No.
Divided by.
We're gonna
16 over 5.
Because we're gonna multiply 5 times 3 plus 1.
Very good.
Which is 16.
Very good.
Where are the crowns? Come.
Class, mommy.
Shut them up, boy.
I don't.
All right. Trinity. Where's Trinity? Where's Trinity? Trinity, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
How are we gonna change this into improper fraction? How are we gonna change?
First, you multiply 3 times 5. And
then what?
Oh, and then you get 15, and then you add the 1, and that's 16.
Very good. So it's gonna be 16 over what?
5.
Very good. Skylar, how do we change 3 and 1 over 5 into improper fraction?
Pardon me?
How do we change 3 and 1 over 5 into improper fraction?
Okay, so we get the 3 and we times it by 5. And then down to 15. And then we add it by 1.
And that gives us 16. And we keep the 5, right?
Yes, so.
Good. So it's gonna be equal to, so we're gonna keep 90 over 1. So we're gonna keep the 90 over 1. So we keep 90 over 1. Kaden, make sure your mic is muted. You don't need to hear you. It's gonna be K S F, right? We keep the 90 over 1. We switch the division sign into a multiplication sign. So division turns into a multiplication sign, right? And then we flip. So this 16 comes down and this 5 goes above, okay? So it's gonna be 5 over what? Over 16, okay? 5 over 16. And so now we're just gonna multiply straight across. So it's gonna be equal to 90 times 5, very good. And a 1 times
450.
right? So let's go ahead and do that. So it's gonna be 90 times 5 is gonna be 90.
40, 50, 450.
450.
Multiplied by 5. Okay.
450.
5 times 0 is
5.
0.
0.
And 5 times 9 is
45.
45. Very good.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be 450. So we have 450, right?
Divided by 16.
Divided by 16. Very good. 450 divided by 16. All right. So Trinity, what are we gonna do at this point? We have 450 divided by 16. What are we gonna do at this point?
Divide.
Divide what?
Divide 16. 16 divided by 460.
Say it again.
60. I mean 16 divided by 450.
So you're gonna say 450 divided by 16. Class, what y'all got when y'all divide them?
28.
28.
28 remainder 2.
28 remainder 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me go ahead and divide them then. So let's go.
Seriously, do we send into working?
Not yet. So we have 16 into 450. Okay. So how many times does 16 go into 45?
2 times.
Twice. 16 times 2 is what?
32.
32. By the way, if we do 16 times 3, that would be too much, eh?
Yep, that would be 48.
Yeah, that'd be too much. So there's gonna be 5 minus 2 is what?
3.
3. And then 4 minus 3 is
1.
1. We
You
bring down.
can't times 16 to 13, so you have to bring down the 0.
We automatically bring down the 0 before we even try to divide it. How many times does 16 go into 130?
8 times.
8 times.
8 times.
128.
16 times 8 is 128. Very good. 128.
We get 2.
We say 0 minus 8. We can't do that. So
You have to
You have to borrow
3
from the
becomes a
3,
2.
it becomes a 2, and
yeah.
then 0 becomes a
the
10.
0 becomes a 10. Then 10 take away 8 would be
2.
2. Very good.
And then
And
2
then the
take
rest is
away
just
0.
0, so we just leave them.
Very good.
Then
So
the 28.
so Kerrigan, what is the whole number? What is the whole number?
28.
28. So 28 becomes the whole number. Wyatt, what becomes the numerator? Wyatt, what becomes the numerator? 2 is the numerator. Very good. And Daniela, what becomes the denominator?
The denominator?
So 28 is the whole number, right? And then we know that 2 is the numerator. So 2 is the numerator. What is the denominator? Do you know?
Not really.
No? Class, what becomes the denominator?
16.
16, very good.
Because we keep the same denominator.
We keep the same denominator, very good. Can we simplify though?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. What number can go into 2 and 16 without leaving a remainder?
2.
2, very good. So we divide this 2 by 2. We divide this by 2. And then we say it's going to be equal to what? 28.
28 and 1.
2 divided by 2. Daniela, what is 2 divided by 2?
1.
1, very good. And Daniela, what is 16 divided by 2? Daniela, what is 16 divided by 2? Skylar, turn your camera. Legacy, turn your camera. Kaden, turn your camera. Gianna, turn your camera.
8.
Say it again.
8.
8, very good. So the answer is 28 and 1 over 8. Did anyone get that? 28 and 1 over 8. Did anyone get that?
I did.
Very good. Did anyone else get 28 and 1 over 8? 28 and 1 over 8.
I got 28 and 1 over 8.
Very
Sorry,
good.
I went out, Mr. Petit. My computer was freaking out.
Oh, yeah, that happens. All right. So top 3. Who's in the top 3? That would be
Lincoln.
Um,
Maya, Lincoln, and Legacy.
very good. Maya, Lincoln, and Legacy. Legacy,
I was close.
it's not just 28. You can't just put 28. It's just 28 and 1 over 8. You have to put the 1 over 8. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Yes, you can.
Thank you.
All right. Skylar, do you understand this? Skylar, do you understand this? Where's Skylar? Skylar, can you hear me? I can't hear from Skylar. Wyatt, do you understand this? Where's Wyatt?
No.
Wyatt, do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. And Trinity, do you understand this? Where's Trinity?
Yes, sir.
That's good. All right, have you all sent in your workers yet? I need to move on from this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Before the jar comes, right?
I don't think she's coming.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah to the King.
All right. Y'all done with this? Let's move on from this. If
Yes,
y'all
sir.
finished. Skylar, where's Skylar? Where's Skylar?
I'm right here. I just came back from doing something.
Okay, you can't just leave like that. Skylar, you have to ask for permission to leave. You understand me? Have you sent in your work, Skylar? You have to take a picture of your work and send.
Not as yet. My mommy home.
Okay. Kerrigan, you sent in the work? That's Kerrigan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, so let's move on from this. Cloud drawings. Okay, so let's move on from this to another question. So say we have.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. I have a really good idea.
What is that?
Let's use the black screen.
That is true. We haven't used that in a minute.
Special occasions only.
Yeah, that is true. All right, so we have 20.
Let's make a bet then.
On what?
Mr. Petit, there is a special occasion. Special occasion, the child is not there.
Exactly. Black screen time.
That's not a special occasion. That's a sad occasion.
That's a special occasion.
A sad occasion to
That's a special occasion.
All right.
To us, it's a festival.
With the talking, let's get right in. So we have 20 squared divided by 10 plus 18 times 8. Sorry, 8 times 6. This is a very good question. So we have 20 squared divided by 10 plus 8 times 8 plus 8 times 6. All right.
Excuse me, Ms. Petit. Are we putting our answers inside the chat?
Yes, we can. Top 3 will be acknowledged. But
Okay,
we're gonna
let's go.
Before you divide.
Say it again.
Should you add before you divide?
You always divide before you add. Always. All right. So for this one, we have to use the PEMDAS rule. So for PEMDAS, we have to do what's in the parentheses, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Skylar, what's in the parentheses?
Pardon me?
What's in the parentheses?
8 times 6.
8 times 6, very good. And what is 8 times 6?
I need a second to think about that.
What is 8 times 6?
I
Daniela.
know, Mr. T.
Go ahead, carry again.
48.
48, very good. So, Skylar, what is 8 times 6?
48.
48, very good. And Daniela, what is 8 times 6?
48.
48. So we have to do what's in the brackets first, right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
So let's go ahead and do what's in the brackets, all right? So we're gonna write down, we're gonna keep everything as normal, right? We're gonna keep everything as normal, but we're gonna put 8 times 6 for what's in the bracket. So it's gonna be leave this as 20. Okay, 20 squared divided by 10 plus, we know 8 times 6 is what? 8 times 6 is 48. And in class, what do we do next?
You have to do 20 to the power of 2, which is 20 times 20. 20 times 20 is 40. And then you have to divide it by 10. With 20 divided by 10 is 4. And then you add 48 plus 4.
Wait. 20 times 20 is 40?
That's all.
That's not true.
That's 20 times 2.
20 times 20. 20 times 20.
20 times 20 is not 40, it's 400.
Yes. I got that.
Yeah, 20 times 20 is not 40.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Say it again.
I must send my answer to Maya.
Okay, send it again. What y'all got for the send?
Third.
You have to send it inside the chat so I could see. Okay.
I got 88.
You got 88 altogether? Okay. All right.
20.
20% is 20.
Okay, so let's do 20 times 20. So 20 times 20, so we have 20 multiplied by 20.
Mr. Routine. You know I put 40, right? Because I was just thinking in my, because I did it in my mind, and I was just looking up the sky and say, I just see the 0, so I say whatever equals to 0 is 0. Then I did 2 times 2, which is 4.
So
yeah,
that's we have to be very careful. This is 20 squared. So 0 times 0 is what? 0. 0 times 2 is what?
0.
0. Put the 0 down. 2 times 0 is 0. And 2 times 4 is?
2 times 2 is 4.
2 times 2, sorry, is 4. Right?
Now we add.
Now we add.
0.
Go ahead.
I think the way I do it is different from you.
What did you do? What did you do?
First, 20 squared is equal to 400. So I divided 400 by 10, which gave me 40. And then I times 8 times 6, which gave me 48. And then I added 40 times 48, and that gave me 88.
We wouldn't get we wouldn't get different answers. You would not get different answers. So what happened is, what I did was I did 8 times 6, which you always do the parentheses first. So that's what I did. All right, and I got 48. Then I concerned myself with the 20 squared, because I can't do the 20 squared until I do the PEMDAS, the parentheses first. Yeah. PEMDAS. So then now I'm gonna divide 400 by 10. And what is 400 divided by 10?
40.
400 divided by 10. That's very
40.
easy because we say 10 into 400.
Equals 40.
So we see how many times does 10 go into 40? First 4 times. 10 times 4 is 40. We subtract. 40 minus 40 is 0. 0 minus 0. And we bring down the 0. Okay. How many times does 10 go into 0?
0.
10 times 0 is 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Okay. And so 400 divided by 10 is going to be what? Sorry, 400 divided by 10 is 40.
40.
Then we add what? 48.
48.
Okay, good. And so then we say 40 plus 48. Or 48 plus 40. Okay, 48 plus 40.
0 plus 8
0 plus
is
8 is
8.
8. And then 4 plus 4 is?
4 plus 4 is 8.
Very good. So this is going to be equal to what?
88.
88.
88, very good. 88. So the answer is 88. Good afternoon.
Here's Miss Petite.
Go ahead.
I was all over the place. I did 48. So first I did 48 times 20 times 20. Then I erased it. And then I was just all over the place.
All over the place? All right.
So.
Okay.
Mr. Petit, surprise.
Mr. Petit came first and third, second and third.
We'll deal with that right now. Seth, I need you to write this down. Seth, I need you to write it. Okay. Skylar, do you understand how we got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, explain how we got 88.
So then 400, we divided that by 10. And then, wait.
No, start from the top.
Yeah.
Start from the multiplication of 8 times 6.
Okay, so we multiplied. Did we multiply 20 by 20 first?
No, the first thing we did is
the
8
first
times.
thing in the brackets, sorry. Then we multiplied 8 times 6, 48. 48. And what do we do with it?
Then we just bring it down.
Let me just bring it down. Okay. Okay, 48, then we just bring it down, and then you just do with all the other numbers.
Yeah, we bring down all the other numbers. Then we do 20. Then we do 20
and then
square.
20 times 20. Then we do 20 times 20. And then we divide that by 10. And then the remaining answer, we add that to 48. And then we get 88.
Very good. And Wyatt, explain how we got 88, please. Again, Wyatt, explain how we got 88. Wyatt, can you hear me?
Sir.
Go ahead, explain how we got 88.
So, you times 8 times 6, and you get 48. Then 20 to the power of 2, you times that, and you get 400. 400 divided by 10, and you get 40. Bring down to 48, and 40 plus 48 is 88.
Very good. Very good. Let's go ahead and do another one. Let me just do another one. Hopefully this time. Oh, top three. Top three was Trinity.
I was surprised.
Trinity.
That's what I was trying to tell you.
Trinity? Where's Trinity? Is that true?
Yes, sir.
You guessed that, eh?
No, sir.
Okay. Trinity, Maya, and Kaden. Very good. Top three, top three. All right, the rest of y'all still good job. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. Who think they could be a part of the top three?
Okay, so
Who think they could be a part of the top three?
let's make a bet.
Those who don't get
One
it.
of the boys, if more boys.
No, no boys and girls. It's just regular. No boys and girls.
And for the black screen. If girls get
third.
All right. Top three is all we're considering.
Gender wars.
Yeah, no, yeah,
I like gender wars better than the top three.
I like gender wars.
It's way better.
Actually, the
only
only reason why the girls win is because the people in our group literally practice math, and I guess the boys in your group don't. It'd be a difference if y'all did practice.
Ouch, my.
Lincoln, I think we should make a group so where we can.
All right, so we have.
Yeah, I like that idea.
So we have 7 times 8. All right, good. Put your inside the chat for me, please.
I already got my answer.
I'll put your inside the chat for me.
Trinity, how?
Trinity is the new Najara.
I took the easy way, I guess.
I guess, yeah. So she could be the new Najara.
Yeah.
I mean, at least we have someone new to come for now and destroy and devour.
Wow. All right. Put your hands inside the chat for me, please. Again, put your hands inside the chat. Does anyone who do not understand what to do? If you don't understand what to do, I can help you.
But I don't understand.
You don't understand what to do? Okay.
Now when they're like the squares.
First deal with the multiplication in the brackets first. Do that first. All right.
Pardon me?
Do the brackets first.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then when you finish the brackets, then do 10 squared. 10 squared is just 10 times 10.
Yes, sir. Mr.
Right.
Petit, that could be a different answer than everybody else.
This was easy.
You get a different answer than everyone else? Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. So we say 7 times 8. Class, what is 7 times 8? That gives us what?
56.
56.
56.
So we have 10 squared divided by 10 plus. Carry again, what is 7 times 8?
56.
56, very good. So it's going to be 56. Good. And it's going to be 56. And then we have Wyatt. Where's Wyatt? Wyatt, can you hear me? Where's Wyatt?
Yes, sir.
What is 7 times 8?
7 times 8 is 56.
56, very good. So we have 10 squared divided by 10 plus 56. All right. Then we're going to say 10 squared. What is 10 squared? 10 squared is going to be what? 10 squared
10 times 10.
is going to be equal to
100. Honey.
100.
10 times.
Cent. Song.
10 times. 10 times 10. What is where's name? What his name is Seth? What is 10 squared? Seth, what is 10? What is 10 squared? Yeah, what is 10 squared? 10 squared is what?
100.
100, very good. And Sky, and 1 second. Daniela, what is 10 squared?
Pardon me?
What is 10 squared?
100.
100. So 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100. So we're going to put a,
Mr. Petit, I still don't see where I went wrong.
we're going to say 100 divided by what? 10 plus what? Plus 56. And then we're just going to divide. So we say 100 divided by 10. What is 100 divided by 10?
10 times 10 can go into 100.
So let's go ahead and divide it. All right. So
That's basically 10 times 10. It's right there.
basically. So 10 goes into 10. 10 goes into.
I see where I went wrong.
10 times 1 is what? 10. It's going to be 10 minus 10. This is 0 and 0. We bring down the 0. How many times does 10 go into 0? 0 times 10 times 0 is 0. So we have 0 minus 0, which is just 0. So this is going to be just 10. So this is 10 plus 56. Okay, and what is 10 plus 56? That's what?
66.
That's going to be, let's add it. 56 plus 10. So it's going to be 6 plus 0 is going to be 6.
Excuse me, Ms. Petit. May I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, you can. And 5 plus 1 is
Thank
just
you.
6. So the answer is what? 66.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone got 66? Let me know if you got 66. Anyone got
I did.
66?
I did.
See,
Go ahead.
Trinity and I, we can't. I mean, like, we could be the next Najaro.
All right.
Combined, that'll be Mega Man.
How many brothers got 66? I mean, if you got 66, please.
I did.
I did.
Okay.
I did.
All right. Excellent. Daniela, explain how we got 66, please.
So we times 7 times 8, which is 56. Then 10 squares divided by 10 plus 56. So then we add 56 plus 10, which gives us 66.
Very good. So we had to divide 100 by 10, right? What is 100 by 10?
66.
What is 100 divided by 10, Daniela? 100 divided by 10 gives us what?
10.
Gives us 10. Very good. And we say 10 plus 56, that gives us 66. All right, take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need y'all to do that, and then we could move on from this. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Is Marshall coming? Miss Marshall coming tomorrow?
I am not sure. I can't see. All right, let's move on from this. Are y'all done? Let me know if y'all finished, please, so we can move on.
Yes, sir. I'm finished.
Okay, good. All right, good. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and move on from this. So all right. Clear our joints and let's go. So the next question that we have, we say, it's gonna be, what number this is? Because this one was 3, 4, that's 5, okay.
Number
So
5.
Number 5. So someone gonna be, so let's say we have 51.013 multiplied by 8.9. So we have 51.013 multiplied by 8.9. How are we gonna do this? Do y'all know how to do this? We have a bunch of decimals.
Yes, sir.
So just do it the same as we would usually do it if it was like 89.
Yeah. Yeah, let's just do it the same way. Madeline, are you understanding what we have been doing so far?
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, so let's go ahead and answer these.
I got the answer for that.
You got an answer for that already?
Yeah.
Seth, you need to turn in your camera. Wyatt, you need to turn in the camera.
Excuse me, Mr. Bertie.
Go ahead.
I realized today Trinity is on roll.
Yeah, Trinity is on the roll. Trinity is
She could be using a calculator.
oh, I believe that.
Just because
she can't get answers that fast. Something has to be that suspicious. That's suspicious.
Say it again, Trinity.
I have the steps on everything I did.
Let me see. Let me see this answer. Let me see this answer.
I put it in the chat.
No, I want to see it in your book. Take a picture.
Oh, take a picture.
Okay. Send it now. You're taking too long. All right. Now this one is definitely suspicious. There's no way she get that fast. But the other ones, I believe. But this one,
Boom! Exactly, I knew it. Something has to be suspicious.
All right, so let's do it.
Well, just jealous. Haters go and decide.
All right, so let's go ahead and multiply this.
You're not gonna hate Trinity. Keep doing well.
All right, so we have 9 times 3. What is 9 times 3? That's gonna be what?
27. Put the 7 down, the 2 on top.
Very good. Put the 7 down and put the what? Put the 2 on top. Good.
2 on top.
Then we have 9 times 1. What is 9 times 1?
9.
9 plus 2?
10.
No, 9 plus 2.
11.
11. Put the 1 down.
10.
Put the 1 up. What is 9 times 0?
0.
0 plus 1?
1.
1. Very good. What's 9 times 1?
9.
9. Very good. What is 9 times 5?
45.
45. Very good.
Put it in the chat, right, Mr. Petit?
Yes, you can put in the chat.
Yes, I finally
I
get
got
it.
something
Nice.
way different, Mr. Badi. I got 4. I got
We're not done. We're not done. You have to put the 0 down.
You know, see?
Put the 0 down. Right? And
As a placeholder.
As a placeholder. Very good. Let me say 8 times 3 is what?
24. Put the 4
24.
down, 2 on top.
24. So 8 times 3 is 24. Put the 4 down. Put the what? Let me use a different color for this one. So use a different color. So say use blue.
Put the 0 as back down
Put the
as
0
a
as a placeholder.
placeholder.
Very good. 8 times 3 is what?
24. Put the 4 down, the 2 on top.
Very good. Put the 4 down. Put the 2 on top. 8 times 1 is?
8.
8 plus 2.
10. 0
10.
down, 1 on top.
Put the 0 down. Put the
1
1
on
on
top.
top. 8 times 0 is?
0
plus 1. It's just
1.
1. It's just 1. 8 times 1 is?
8.
8. Very good. 8 times 5 is?
40.
40. Very good. Okay. Then we add 7 plus 0 is?
7.
7. Very good. 4 plus 1 is?
5.
5. 1 plus 0 is?
1.
1. 9 plus 1 is?
10. 0 down, 1 on
10.
top.
Put the 0 down. Put the 1 on
1 on
top.
top.
8 plus 5 is what?
13.
13, 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Put the 4 down. Put the 1 on
1
top.
on top.
4 plus 1 is?
5.
5. And then 4 plus 0 is just 4.
4.
All right, we're
No,
done.
you're not done yet.
We're done, right?
No, sir.
We have to be done, right?
You have to add your decimal point.
We have to
What you have to do, your decimal point.
We have to add my decimal point.
Yes, sir. You have to all the numbers. All the numbers.
All the numbers what?
All the numbers behind the decimal point, you have to add them. So, for example, 51.013, all the numbers behind them, there's 3 numbers. So then for the next one, 8.9, there's 1 number. 3 plus 1 is 4. So for your answer, your final answer, you have to make sure that there's 4 numbers behind the decimal point.
I agree. So basically, she's right. She's right. So notice, right? There are how many numbers beyond the decimal point? We have 1, 2, 3 numbers beyond the decimal point. So again, 1, 2, 3 numbers beyond the decimal point. But there's also another one at the bottom. All right. So again, you have 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal point plus this number. So how many numbers are behind the decimal point?
4.
4. There are 4 numbers behind the decimal point. Yes.
When Kenny edited answer because he had 3 numbers behind the decimal point.
Lincoln would not do that.
I know. Yes, I did, cause
You did.
well,
You did.
I mean, there's only one simple mistake, so I mean, I could have just done that.
Okay.
Either way,
all right. So
like
we have.
said earlier, it's just a simple mistake, and Lincoln makes them all the time.
Wow. Legacy. Stop. So we have. We have.
I don't blame her really.
So we have what? How many times? It's gonna be what? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we put the decimal point right here. That makes sense? Because you have to move it over 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, does that make sense to you all? Let me know if that makes sense. Hello, does that make sense to you all? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So do you all understand how to do this without a calculator? Without a calculator.
Yes, sir.
This is easy. I could do this from the back of my hand. I know this rule from the back of my hand.
Excellent. Are we gonna do another one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No.
Nah, let's move on because we get it.
No. No. No calculators.
I know. Excuse me, Miss Petite. Remember that thing I told you about yesterday with the telephone? You have to guess the letters.
I remember that. Let's do another one. So we have number 6. Again, top 3 in the chat. Where's Kaden?
You didn't say the leaderboard.
Where's Kaden? I don't see. Okay, leaderboard. All right, so we have Maya, Skylar, and Trinity. Very good. Very good. All right, Madeline, I need to see you putting your answers inside the chat. You didn't even put your answers inside the chat. So what should I tell your mother? Tell her that you're not paying attention? What should I tell her?
I am paying attention. I was adding it up when we were supposed to put it in chat.
But you haven't But you haven't put your answers inside the chat. You have to put your answer inside the chat. Madeline.
I thought it was too late when I finished it.
You still could put it. You still could put it. Seth still put his own. Kerrigan still put his own. All right. So you have to participate. Madeline. All right.
Skylar edited.
Skylar did not edited.
Well, actually, I did miss the
She edited. She had word.
Oh, okay.
I put is before the number, so I just take out is.
Okay, that's no problem. All right, let's go ahead and do this. I don't know, y'all so nitpicky. All right, so 4, 1, again, top 3, point. Make sure you get the answer correct. 0, 1, 5, multiplied by 6.7. Again, put your answers inside the chat once you're finished. Again, put your answers inside the chat once you are done with this.
I figured out why I keep on answering slow. It's because I do every single step and I write every single thing down, like PEMDAS, and I ended up putting it in last.
Okay. I mean, the key is to make sure that you, the key is to make sure that you actually do it. So that's no problem. Again, put your answer inside the chat for me once you're finished.
Quick reminder, 3 more days until my birthday.
Wow. I don't
You gonna bring me cake?
I'll try.
That's a good question.
Yippee!
All right, put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Again, put your answer inside the chat. All right, what y'all got for your answer? Let me know if what y'all got.
274.8005.
Say it again. Say it again.
274.8005.
0.8005.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone else got the same answer?
I did.
So far, I'm getting a different answer. I haven't finished it, but it's looking different.
All right. All right, so let's go ahead and answer this.
Answer.
We have so we in the 7 multiplication table now. So we have 7 times 5. What is 7 times 5? That's gonna be what?
35. Put the 5 down, the 3 on top.
Very good. 35. Put the 5 down, put the 3 up.
Then
we have
7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Put the 0 down, the 1 on top.
Very good. Put the 0 down, put the 1 on top.
7 times 0 is
7 plus 1 is, is 0
no,
plus
7 times 0 is 0
yeah,
plus 1 is 1.
Plus 1 is 1. 7 times 1
7
is
times 1 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28.
7 times 4 is 28. Good.
Change the color, placeholder.
Yes. So it's gonna be put the 0 down. And then what we do?
6 times 5 is 30. Put the 0 down. That's good.
Yeah. 6 times 5 is 30. Put the 0 down. Put the 3 on top. 6 times 1 is
6 plus 3 is 9.
Plus 3 is 9. Very good.
6 times 0 is 0.
6 times 0 is 0. Very good.
6 times 1 is 6.
6 times 1 is 6. Very good.
6 times 4 is 24. Put the whole entire
4.
24 down.
Very good. 6 times 4 is 24.
Now add.
Then add. Very good. And so we have 5 plus 0, which is
5.
0 plus 0, which is
0.
0. 1 plus 9, which is
10. Put the 0 down, the 1 on top.
The 1 up. 7 plus 1 is
8.
8. Very good. 8 plus 6 is 8 plus 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14. Put the 4 down, 1 on top.
Put the 4 down, put the 1 on top. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And then we
just put the 2.
Put the 2 here. Okay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. We move 3 times. 4 times. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got 274.8005. How many persons got that? How many persons got that?
Did.
Let me know if you got that, please.
I did.
Let me know if you got that.
I did.
All right. Put I in the chat if you got this right. Put I in the chat if you got this right. Let me see who all got this right. Wyatt, Maya, Skylar, Lincoln. Again, put I inside the chat if you got this right. Only those four got it right? Wyatt, Maya, Skylar, and Lincoln.
My keyboard is freaking out.
Maya,
so
Trinity.
if it's
Okay,
doing
Madeline.
eyes.
Okay. Seth. Okay. All right. Very good. The last number is just wrong. Okay. Top three. Top three would be who?
Trinity, me.
Top three. Trinity. Really? Wow. Yes, Trinity. Yes, Trinity. You're getting these really fast. Very good. Trinity, Maya, and Gianna. Very good. Trinity, Maya, and Gianna. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need y'all to do that. Wyatt, put the balloon down. Put the black balloon down. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Seth, you ready to send a picture of your work?
I'm sending it now.
Okay. All right, let's move on from this. We have number what? Number 7. Number 7.
We have 10 more minutes of class.
We do. All right, so it's gonna be.
Let's read.
4 squared. Top three times 10 to the power of 3. Where's Adaya? Adaya, can you hear me? Where's Adaya? Adaya, are you there? Can't really hear from Adaya.
Excuse me, Mr. McKee.
Yes.
It's square is so for 2. Is it just like 4 times that or 4 times 4?
4 squared is 4 times 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, Miss Petite. Daya said that water is inside of her speaker, so you are muffled.
Okay, thank you. All right, send a note to Adaya. All right, put your hands inside the chat for me, please.
Mr. Latif,
Yes.
I only didn't come first because I was waiting a long time for the in the chat and legacy came first.
Mr. Petite, you know how I got my answer so fast?
How?
Because 10 to the power 3, that's like.
So let's pass. Let's go ahead and do it, right? So we say 4 squared. What is 4 squared? 4 squared is what?
4 times 4.
4 times 4.
4 squared is equal to 16.
Yeah.
4 times 4, which is 16.
Very good. And 10 cubed. What is 10 cubed?
10
10 times 10 times 10 times 10.
10
Very
times
good.
10.
Very good. 10 times 10 times 10, which is just what?
100.
100.
No.
1000.
1000.
1000.
1000. So 10 cubed is 1000, right? Then you have 4 squared. which is 4 times 4. That's going to be what?
16.
16, very good. 16. So we have 16 multiplied by 1,000.
1,000.
Very good. And what is 16 multiplied by 1,000? That gives us what?
16,000.
16,000.
16,000. Now I got 16,000. Is there anyone else who got 16,000?
I did.
I did. I based it because they thought it was wrong. Because it would have been too big.
All right. Put I inside the chat if you got 16,000. If you got 16,000, I need you to put I inside the chat, please. Trinity, Maya, Wyatt, Seth, very good. Lincoln, Skylar, Seth, Legacy, Madeline, Kerrigan. Okay, very good. Everyone got it. Daniela, put your answer inside the chat as well. 16,000 is the correct answer for this. Do we have a top 3?
Top 5.
Top 3.
5.
Top 3. You want to do top 3?
Would have been first.
Top
If only I did not.
Top 3.
I would have been first.
Top 3.
I would have.
Top 3. All right, top 3 is going to be.
Top 5, please.
No. All right, top 3 is Legacy, Trinity, and Gianna. Very good.
No, sir. That's a no.
Yeah. Oh, my bad.
Look all the way.
My bad. Maya, Legacy, and Trinity. All
I
right.
was just about to say.
Very good, y'all. Have a wonderful evening. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp, and then I'll see you.
Thank you for our class, Mr. Petit.
Oh,
See you
thank you.
tomorrow.
Bye, Mr. Petit.
Take care, everyone.
Bye, Miss Petite. See you. God spare life.
Try practicing, Lincoln.
Legacy. All right, have a wonderful evening, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.